this video, we will look at the top 5 best Radio Flyer tricycle available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Deluxe EZ Fold 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike. Parents will love that this trike grows with a child as young as 9 months through 5 years old. Infants can start to explore with parents pushing, then learn to steer, progress to learning to ride, and then into classic trike mode. There are a host of removable included accessories like an adjustable UV canopy, tray, and height-adjustable parent push bar. This tricycle grows with your child through different riding stages. Easily convert between 4 growing stages by removing the accessories. The removable accessories allow this tricycle to grow with your child. The accessories include an adjustable UV protection canopy, parent pouch, seat pad, wraparound tray, headrest and seat belt, footrest, and parent push handle. The Deluxe EZ Fold 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike is the ultimate grow with me trike that is the easiest to fold so you can store or take it anywhere. There are 4 ways to ride for ages 1 to 5 years. It easily converts from an infant trike to a push trike, learn to ride trike, and a classic trike. This trike also provides essential safety features for the youngest riders, including removable wraparound snack tray with cup holder, a footrest, and a 3-point harness with headrest. The Fisher-Price Harley-Davidson Tough Trike is a fun, affordable ride for little ones. It features a secret compartment under the seat for storage. This pedal-powered ride is sturdy for little riders to gain balance and coordination skills. Since it cannot adjust, you may have to wait a bit for your child to fit properly on the seat and reach the pedals, and they may outgrow sooner than other adjustable trikes. Number 2. Harley-Davidson Tough Trike. Another low riding option, the Fisher-Price Harley-Davidson Tough Trike is a fun, affordable ride for little ones. It features a secret compartment under the seat for storage. This pedal-powered ride is sturdy for little riders to gain balance and coordination skills. Since it cannot adjust, you may have to wait a bit for your child to fit properly on the seat and reach the pedals, and they may outgrow sooner than other adjustable trikes. This infant tricycle will maintain your kids comfortable and safe. Keep them cool with the sun canopy, ensure their protection with the 3-point harness and safety bar, all while the front wheel shock absorbers guarantee a smooth ride for both you and them. The first SmartTrike launched over a decade ago and was no less than a revolution. An all-in-one trike that grows with parent and child. The Zoom 4-in-1 trike has been released by SmartTrike. Looking to make the most of your walks to the park with your little angel? Are you in search of an educational tricycle with push handle to smoothly introduce your toddler to the world of cycling? Welcome Zoom, a smart trike by SmartTrike, a top standard baby tricycle, designed for your kids' safety and your own convenience. Get your hands on a baby tricycle that follows your kids' growth. Not all tricycles are the same. Your baby grows fast and standard push tricycles for toddlers soon become useless. With this in mind, SmartTrike designed our fully convertible, phase-versatile baby 4-in-1 trike that will follow your baby from 10 to 30 months old with an abundance of features to help your kid get started with cycling all the way to enjoying riding a tricycle for 2-year-old kids with total independence. Number 3. Deluxe Steer and Stroll Trike. The Radio Flyer Deluxe Steer and Stroll can operate either as a parent push or child pedal trike. The seat is adjustable forward or backwards, so it can grow with your child. Kid testers love the included ringing bell and covered storage bin for stashing away favorite goodies. This versatile tricycle offers 2 ways to ride. Pedals lock to become foot rests for your child while you steer. Pedals unlock and parent push handle removes when your child is ready to ride on their own. The seat adjusts to 3 different settings, ensuring years of fun as the trike grows with your child. This unique design offers 2 ways to ride. Our innovative pedal mechanism allows riders to rest their feet on the pedals and enjoy the ride while adults push and steer. The adjustable push handle then removes for older children who are ready to ride on their own. The trike also features durable molded wheels, an adjustable seat to grow with your child, and a solid steel frame. The fun-covered storage bin and chrome bell add fun to the ride. Number 4. Schwinn. The Schwinn Roadster is a retro low-rider available in lots of fun colors like hot pink, teal and orange. And the chrome details and tasseled handlebars top off the Insta-worthy photo backdrop. Good housekeeping engineers love that it's well constructed with a durable steel frame, allowing for higher weight support. The rear deck is made of genuine wood with burnt-in Schwinn logo, while the scalloped chrome fenders provide a fashionable ride take to the streets in style with mustache-style cruiser bars and a classic bike bell. The Stingray and the original Crate and Picker series of children's bikes, Schwinn has made it possible for riders of all ages to experience the thrill of riding a bicycle. Children and adults around the world trust the Schwinn name for quality and value. The joys of learning to ride for the first time, sharing an excursion with friends, proudly completing a new training regime or enjoying a local scenic route are all best enjoyed on a Schwinn. Number 5. Tricycoo 4.1 Kids Tricycle. Babies can get started on the Juvie Trike as young as 10 months, helping them gain a sense of confidence and better coordination. For those early days, you can have them in the harnessed, removable seat enclosure for added support and security. As they physically and cognitively develop, they can expand from a push trike into them being in control. It even has an adjustable seat feature to accommodate their growing legs. The Juvie Tricycoo 4.1 is your child's first vehicle and the perfect way to introduce balance and coordination, one step at a time. Ideal for babies as young as 10 months, the Tricycoo 4.1 transforms through 4 stages as your child grows. Stage 1, 10 months plus. Parents have full control with the adjustable and removable parent push handle. Baby sits in a padded seat with head support, surround arms and a 5-point harness for their comfort and safety. The extra-large canopy has multiple positions and is made of a 50 UPF fabric to keep baby cool and harmful sun rays away. Stage 2, 18 months plus. This stage is gearing up for the training stage. The Tricycoo 4.1 features a flip-down footrest for the child to rest their feet on. You can set the pedals to freewheel, which prevents the pedals from spinning and avoids hitting little legs and feet. The extra comfy shoulder and seat pads are removable and machine washable. Stage 3, 24 months plus. Parents can remove the surround arms and lock the pedals to allow the child to pedal by themselves. Large pedals make it easier for the child to place their feet on and learn to pedal.
So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.